So, with the Pixel 9a launch behind them, Google is shifting focus to the next version of Android and the upcoming Pixel 10 series. Recent developments suggest that both hardware and software advancements are aligning, with the Tensor G5 chipset playing a crucial role in boosting overall performance. A key change in Tensor G5's production is Google's transition from Samsung Foundry to TSMC. While this move is expected to improve efficiency, it also means Google can no longer use Samsung's pre-existing components, requiring replacements. According to industry insider Kamila Wojciechowska, one of the most significant shifts is Google's decision to develop its own image signal processor, ISP, instead of relying on Samsung's solution. Google has explored custom imaging hardware before, introducing the Pixel Visual Core in the Pixel 2 and the Pixel Neural Core in the Pixel 4. However, when Google switched to the Tensor chipset with the Pixel 6, these efforts seemed to halt. Now, the shift to an in-house ISP suggests a renewed commitment to computational photography. By tightly integrating the ISP with Tensor G5's CPU, GPU, and AI processing, Google could refine image quality while maintaining its strong reputation in smartphone photography. Additional details about the Pixel 10 series surfaced in the Android open source project, where a Google engineer documented improvements in boot performance. A specific entry highlights a new parallel module loading feature designed to speed up startup times. Pixel 10 reduces 30% loading time, and Pixel Fold reduces 25%. Since the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL all use the Tensor G4 chipset, it's reasonable to assume that the entire Pixel 10 lineup will adopt the Tensor G5. This means the 30% faster boot time should apply across all Pixel 10 models. Meanwhile, the Pixel Fold's slightly lower 25% improvement likely stems from design constraints unique to foldable devices. Given the compact internal layout of foldable phones, which can affect optimization, the slightly lower boot speed gain seems plausible. With the Tensor G5 expected to power the entire Pixel 10 series, Google's latest advancements in silicon and software could mark a major step forward for its smartphone lineup. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in my next video.